Namaskar. Yesterday we discussed about the star of Puram. Today we are going to see about the star of Uttram. The Sutram comes in the zodiac of Leo as well as Virgo. The first padam of Uttram comes in Leo, and the second, third, fourth are coming in the zodiac of Virgo. But this is not treated as full star. This is treated as splitted star. Because in two zodiacs the stars are divided. That is the reason. And now what we are going to see, in what manner the Uttara star people they have to perform the puja to get a good upliftment in their life. Actually, Kritika, Uttaram and Uttaradam, these star people, they are basically controlled by the planet of Sun. So sun is directly controlled by Lord Shiva. So this star people, that is Kartika, Uttaram, Uttaradam star people, directly if they pray to God, I mean Lord Shiva, definitely good blessing will be received from Lord Shiva as well as Lord Sun. But here today we are going to discuss about the star, especially the star of Uttram. So the Uttram star people, in what manner they have to perform the puja to Lord Shiva means, first they have to make the arrangement with the items as usual. What I used to say, keep the photo of Shiva Shakti photo before doing the puja. After getting up from the bed, they have to clean properly themselves, and then they have to worship Lord Sun. They, after completing worshipping of a Lord Sun, only they have to come for the puja of Lord Shiva. Now how they have to perform the puja of Lord Shiva means, as usual, in what manner I used to prepare for the puja, like that only I am going to say. That is, first they have to ready with the photo of Shiva Shakti, and make decoration for that. At the time of decorating the photo, we used to keep the flowers and all, no? So this time what type of flowers should be taken by Uttara Nakshatra people? The star is treated as a flame star. Jungle flame star. It is in Tamil as well as Malayalam, it is called as Techipu or Itlipu. Like that, the flower name is called jungle flower. So here another thing, along with the jungle flower, the Uttara Nakshatra people, they have to collect the leaves of Vilva. Already at the time of seeing the Kritika star people, we saw about the details of Villuvam. No? Like that, the Villuvam leaves should also be collected properly, but minimum 6 Villums are available, needed. Okay. And again, what we have to do here, what type of lamb must be shown to Lord Shiva as well as Goddess Shakti means, either you have to use a pure ghee, what is that, lamb, or you can use ginger oil in order to light the lamp. But better take ginger oil and light the lamp and keep it in front of Shiva Shakti. Otherwise, you consider the lamp as Shiva Shakti or Agni Bhagavan or Surya Bhagavan, Lord Sun. You can treat like that. After that, the puja can be started. And now we have kept a photo or a light, lamp. And next is, we have to keep a pure water, and after keeping that water, we have to separately maintain the flower, jungle flame flower, as well as leaves must be maintained separately for puja. And as prasadam, what should be kept in front of Shiva Shakti or in front of lamb means cherry fruit. Minimum 6 pieces of cherry fruit must be taken for the puja. Maximum according to your family members availability, you can take the cherry. And now in what manner we have to perform the puja means, take some flowers of jungle flame flower as well as one leaf of what is that, Vilva, and say Om Namah Shivaya. Either this method or Om Shiva Shakti Saranamaga, or Om Shiva Bermane Saranam Namaha, or Om Surya Bhagavane Saranam Namaha, or Om Shakti Bhagavane, Agni Bhagavane Saranam Namaha. Among five types, you can select either one type of slogam and say that slogam minimum 6 times and put the flower of jungle flame as well as vilvam leaf. And like that, 6 times you have to do the prayer as well as put the flower under the feet of God or the light which is lightning in front of us. Okay, as well as provide the prasadam. And if you do the puja like this, definitely the Uttara Nakshatra people, I mean Uttaram star people, they will get a good fame, name, identity, as well as if they are working in government sector, they will get a promotion and they will get a good remuneration. Suppose if they have a father-in-law, his condition, body condition will be good. If they have an elder son, he will also be very good and obedient and very responsible person at home, as well as family members. Totally they will have long life, as well as they will have good name and fame, everything, as well as money flow will also be good at your home. And totally you will have the happiest and powerful life, because however the Lord, what is that, Lord Sun, however he is very powerful person to the world. Like that, the person, those who are worshipping Lord Shiva or Lord Sun, definitely they will also be having good power among where they are living among themselves, among the society people. They will have a good fame, name, identity, and powerfulness, everything. So have good life by doing this puja by Uttaram people, Uttaram star people. Do this puja and get a good name as well as good life, everything. Have a nice day. And as usual, if you would like to consult your horoscope from me, please contact me for the phone number 9840773010. As well as if you like this video, as usual, please like it, share it, comment it, as well as subscribe it. At the time of subscribing, please, you can see the bell icon. Press the bell icon. While pressing the bell icon, you can see the three options. Among three options, one option is all. Press it. Immediately you will get all the notification what are all the videos I used to upload to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.